Today I'll be using colors of the rainbow to create beautiful cells using all Artist Loft paint. The colors are just amazing, they're vibrant. Check out today's video, you're gonna love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'll be doing another beautiful cell pour technique using all Artist Loft ready mix paint, and I'm doing it on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. This is my first attempt of three beautiful different results, and I'm showing them all to you in this one video. Alright guys, so I did speed this up, and I do hope you enjoyed the video guys. And of course I really wanted to have some negative space in each painting, so I didn't want the colors to cover the entire canvas, so I didn't add that much paint. Alright guys, and the cells, they came out different because I did have to stretch it a bit of a way, longer. I had to stretch it across the canvas, and I didn't add that much color, so it's just a bit different from the usual, but I do love it. It wasn't quite what I had in mind, but I wanted to share all three with you because the colors are just beautiful, and I want to show you that if you have been trying using the Artist Loft ready mix paint and you're not getting the result, the cells might look wonky, don't throw away your art, keep it. Just keep trying, get a new canvas and go again, but tweak the paint, tweak the black paint, make sure that it's not too thin or it's not too thick. Okay, so the black I use on in this painting, well, in today's video, it's the black Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, or the soft body. All right, and I did mix this 1:1 ratio, and I add maybe 2 parts water. So I use more water than even the pouring medium to get the Artist Loft soft body paint that I use in this technique a bit thinner. All right, so I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and of course, watch all the way to the end because I will be showing you all three hanging together, different position and stuff like that. So I do hope you guys love it, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. And of course, I'm showing you the close-up of the first one, and you can see the cells came out a bit elongated, a bit stretched, but I do love it. All right, so do stay tuned for the next one coming up just around now, and watch to the end and give a thumbs up if you do like it. Thank you. Here is a close-up of all three hanging together. I hope you guys check out the wet result of all three, because here they are dried and hanging together, guys. What do you think? It's beautiful. I do love it. Even though the cells didn't form the way I wanted them to, the painting itself is just beautiful. All the composition, they're just amazing. I do love the black negative space. And yes, there's no resin, there's no varnish on this, so the colors that you're seeing is just a natural color from these artists loft pouring paint, ready mix pouring paint. They have a lot of sheen to it. I do love it, and I'm gonna resin these or maybe varnish, and the colors are gonna even pop more. It's gonna stand out more. I do love them all. Guys, let me know which is your favorite. The orange in this is just amazing. The purple, I don't even know which color I prefer, but it's just like I said, guys, it's the color of the rainbow, and they came out just, you know, in their own unique way. I'm do loving it. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this, and of course leave me a comment if you do. Give this video a thumbs up, you know, share it with your friends and family, guys, and I really do appreciate everything that you guys have done for me. All right, do check out this next the way I layer them, how I put them on the wall. You know, just being creative. You know, you guys can hang them whichever way. Let me know which you prefer in the comment section below. This is my option B of the way I hang it on the wall. You know, I wanted the yellow to flow. If you guys notice in each painting, I really want the yellow to have that flow. You know, so I did it that way. I do hope you guys like it. At least give me a thumbs up if you do. And you know, thank you so much for sticking around all the way to the end. Do watch my playlist. Give this technique a try. And I will see you guys next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.